Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform 100% true recovery mode on HONOR X5c Plus. So you have to start by pressing power button and volume up button to power off your device. Then select power off option and tap again to power off your device completely. And now when your device is powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and from this menu you have to select clear data and then click factory reset. Now you have to type in yes and click factory reset. And now you have to wait. And now you have to select back and click on restart. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.